Hi, this is David Baird with Applied EHS, and I wanted to let you know about a feature that we've added to Momentum PSM for documenting unscheduled maintenance or repair items. In some cases, we may have work done on equipment that is not related to or identified during a specific inspection, testing, or maintenance work order that is generated from Momentum PSM. So this could be damage or equipment failure that occurs and needs to be addressed. We want to keep a record of this repair so that we have a good event history for each piece of equipment. To record an unscheduled maintenance or repair, you're going to create a new maintenance record. And you do this just as you normally would by clicking Start, New, Mechanical Integrity Maintenance Record, or by clicking on the Maintenance Record button on your favorite processes on your dashboard. When you do this, this will open up the maintenance record just like normal. You'll select the equipment from the list of equipment. When you do, you'll see a new maintenance type option called Unscheduled Maintenance or Repair. This will occur on every new maintenance record now. And so in order to document the unscheduled maintenance or repair, you just choose that maintenance type. You will then see the maintenance instructions, which simply say, describe the maintenance or repair in the comments box below. Be as detailed as you want here so that future readers will understand what was done and why. For this example, we're going to be documenting that the fan bearings on the emergency fan went out, and we called Acme Refrigeration to replace those. We're going to document that they replaced it with the exact same make and model. That way everyone knows that this was replacement in kind and there was no need for management of change as a result of this repair. If you want to record the man hours or the cost associated with the repair, you can do that up at the top in the spots provided, but that's not required unless you're directed to do so by your supervisor. Since the repair is completed successfully, you can put pass as the result. If the repair was unsuccessful or there was some problem, then you may want to choose fail and create an additional corrective action down below, just as you normally would by clicking the further corrective action required box. The last step is to attach any documentation of the repair, such as contractor work orders or repair records. Note that the repair was completed by clicking yes under completed. Click submit and route, and that's all there is to it. To see the completed maintenance work order, you can go to Mechanical Integrity, click on your completed maintenance items. You'll see at the bottom of the list the unscheduled maintenance or repair that was completed on today's date. And if you open it up, now we have a record of the repair that was done and the contractor work order and the date that we did it. Also in our history, we can see who it was assigned to and when it was completed. That's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions or problems.